I'm super excited because my fruit and vegetable purifying washing machine just arrived in the mail. So today in this video, we're gonna do a first test to see, does this really work on cleaning fruits and vegetables? And the instructions for use say to charge this for 8 hours before use, then briefly press the power button at the bottom to turn it on. Then you fill a washing basin with water and you place the machine in the basin, and then you add your ingredients. And then once the machine starts, it'll release hydroxyl ions to purify and clean. And it says there's 4 purification modes that are available, so select the corresponding mode as needed. Level 1 is 3 minutes and it does fruits and vegetables. Level 2 is 5 minutes, it does grains and agricultural products. Level 3 is 10 minutes and it does seafood and meats. And level 4 is static purification for tableware, baby products, etc. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and then we're going to start charging it so that we can wash our produce when it's time. And if you're looking to purchase one of these like I did, then check out the links in the description below for where you can purchase this exact one. I did do a lot of research and I decided on a moderately priced product because of several reasons, and I'll explain that next. So this comes with a USB cord and then a magnetic attachment that goes to the machine. Okay, it's charging right now, and I don't know if you can see right in there, there's a red flashing light. That means it's charging, and then when it's all charged, it'll turn green. So the instructions say that basically in each mode, depending on how many minutes the mode is for example, the first mode is 3 minutes, that purification begins after 3 minutes. So you put everything in the water, making sure it's submerged, and then you set it, then it'll run for 3 minutes. And then after that, you're going to let the food products in there or whatever you're sanitizing sit for another 5 to 10 minutes to allow the electrolysis to fully take effect. And it also shares the warranty period for the purifier is free replacement within 3 months of the date of purchase. Okay, so I can actually see the green light is on in there, and this only took about 4 hours to charge for the first time, so that's great. Okay, for this first cleaning test and in this video, I'm just going to show how this will clean a head of kale. This is probably one of the things I have the hardest time cleaning because sometimes there's actually bugs between the leaves and dirt. This is kale that I bought at Whole Foods, and it's usually pretty clean, but I want to see how clean I can actually get it. So first, just to see, I filled up my sink here with some water, and first I want to go through and just kind of like see what I can get off of this by just doing what I would normally do, which is just kind of like rinse this. I have a feeling that I'm going to be shocked at how much actually comes off with the ultrasonic cleaner. Okay, so let's just see after I pull these out what the water looks like. Okay, so here's what the water looks like after I just kind of rinsed them thoroughly, or like, in a pool of water. I see a bug right here. And I'm going to be juicing this kale, so this is why I really want to make sure this gets nice and clean. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and drain this water and fill it again, and then we're going to see how much more actually comes off. Okay, I created a blog post on my website, and I'll share a link in the description below, but I wanted to show you this real quick before I do the second washing so that I can explain to you what this is actually doing. So this uses titanium electrodes to generate hydroxyl radicals in water, which are powerful natural oxidants. And it breaks down pesticide residues, bacteria, and chemical coatings on produce. And it works without adding any added chemicals. And it's just best for everyday produce cleaning, grains, meat, and tableware. Now there are 2 other types of ultrasonic cleaners, and I share more about those in this blog post, so be sure to check those out. But this is the one I think is best for our basic everyday use. Okay, let's go ahead and unplug our cleaner. Okay, now we have our ultrasonic cleaner unplugged. I'm just going to push it once to start it. And I think, oh, you know what? I'm going to put more water in here. Okay, now that I've added more water, it started spinning. So you want to make sure that it's totally submerged in the water. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add this kale in here. And like I said earlier when I was reading the manual, what you need to do is run it for 3 minutes. Then you're supposed to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so that it can actually do its job, which is do the electrolysis in the water. Okay, little bubbles are starting to form, and it seems like it's spinning and dispersing those bubbles around. And then it seems like it stops, gives bubbles, and then is it going to start again? Yep. And I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but I'm just going to kind of like help it. I don't know if it's going to get, I don't know if I actually put enough water in there, but we'll see. Okay, it just finished its cycle, so I'm going to go ahead and set a 10-minute timer. Okay, now it's been 10 minutes and let's check it out. There were some bubbles forming around everything sitting in here. I am realizing this might not have been the best first test because some of the kale is like pretty buoyant and it just kind of floated, and I did go ahead and agitate it a little bit, but I can feel the kale actually feels cleaner. And then I was inspecting it and actually it looks really clean. So I am happy with this, but I'm also going to test a whole bunch of different things like rice and dried beans and strawberries and celery that gets really dirty. So be sure to check out that video next. But I'm happy with this. This is great. Let's see what the water looks like. And this was all without any chemicals, just using the electrolysis. And it didn't take that long. It's definitely something you'd just want to plan a little bit ahead of, but I have a hard time actually cleaning produce usually, so being able to just let it sit in there was pretty nice. This is what it looks like over here. It looks fresh too. And knowing that I was able to kill off a lot of the bacteria and pesticides, look at how much more stuff actually came off during the second. There's definitely some more bugs and a lot of things floating in this water. Actually, like I can see even more stuff floating, I think, than I did before. Like you probably can't see it in the camera, but there's like little particles. All right, well, if you want to get one of these, check out the links in the description below. I share my affiliate links, which help support my channel. So thanks for shopping with my affiliate links. And check out my next video in this series of washing foods, fruits, vegetables. You can even wash seafood and meat with this, and baby products and silverware and all kinds of stuff. So I'm definitely going to have some fun testing this out. Well, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Bye.